Hello, my dear students. Hello, boys and girls. I hope everybody is doing great. I'm very good. Okay, guys. Let's start Unit 2 Farmers Market. Arkadaşlar hepinize merhabalar. Bütün kız ve erkek öğrencilerimin hepsini tekrar selamlıyorum. Umarım en kısa zamanda tekrar görüşebiliriz. Bugün itibariyle ikinci ünitemizin genel tekrarına başlıyoruz. Okay, guys. I'm speaking English. Please, you speak English too. Unit 2 Farmers Market. Here, look, listen and circle yes or no. Deneme metnini arkadaşlar maalesef ki bilgisayardan olduğu için duyamıyorsunuz. Onun yerine ben sizlere okuyacağım. Okay, let's speak about the picture. Are there any children in the picture? Number one. Are there any children? Yes, there are. There are 4 children. Are there any bikes in the picture? Can you see any bikes? No, there isn't any bike in the picture. Are there any cows in the picture? Are there any cows? Yes, there are 2 cows. Number 3 is yes. Are there any chicken in the picture? Can you see the chicken? I can see yes, there are chickens here. It's yes. Are there any planes in the picture? Are there any planes? No, there isn't any plane in the picture. And are there any big buildings? Can you see a big building in the picture? No, there isn't any big building. Okay, let's take a look at activity number 2. Write the names of the things below and mark those that are in the picture above. Yukarıdaki resimde bulunan objelerimize, hayvanlarımıza tik atmamızı istiyor. Okay, let's write the names. Let's start with the names here. These are chicken or hen. They are hens. I'm writing here, guys. Hens. Number 2, and yes, hens in the picture. We can take it. Number 2, this is cow. And yes, there are cows in the picture. Let's cross this. Number 3, it's a horse. Yes, there's a horse in the picture. Let's tick. Where is it? Here. And number 4 is a bike. No, there is no bike in the picture, so no tick for the bike. Number 5 is building. There isn't any building in the picture, so it's not in the picture. We don't tick here and here. Number 7, yes, it's number 7 or 6, sorry. Yes, it's number 6. Sheep. Yes, there are sheep in the picture. You can write this to here. And sheep. And the last one is pumpkin. And there's no pumpkin in the picture, so don't tick the pumpkin. Okay, let's start over. Hens. Here. Cow. Here. Horse. Here. Bike. Here. Building. Here. Sheep. Here. And pumpkin is here. Here, let's take a look. Look and attach the stickers. Stickerlarımızı zaten sınıfta yapmıştık arkadaşlar. Hemen bir bakalım burada nelerimiz var. I can see some milk, honey, yogurt, pumpkins, eggs, raspberries, cheese and meat. Hemen bir hafızamızı yoklayalım. Biz kelimelerimizi, objelerimizi ikiye ayırmıştık. Countable and herkesten duyuyorum diğerini. Uncountable. In Turkish, let's write here. Countable means sayılabilen and uncountable means sayılamayan. İyi hatırlayalım. Hatta bunun üzerine biraz tartışmıştık da. Bazı objelerde ve nesnelerde Türkler ve İngilizler birbirine hiç uymuyorlardı. Hemen bunun istisnalarını sayın. Çoğunuzun sesi şu an kulaklarımda yankılanıyor. Bread. Biz bir tane ekmek diyoruz. Ama İngilizler demiyorlar arkadaşlar. Bread is, sorry for this, uncountable. Cheese. Biz bir tane peynir de deriz ama onlar kabul etmiyorlar. Uncountable. Genellikle nasıl söylemiştik? Sıvı olan şeyler uncountable, katı, taneyle sayabildiğimiz şeyler countable olacaktı. Ve biz countable kullanırken birden fazlaysa are ile belli ediyoruz. Bir tane ise is kullanıyoruz. Ama uncountable'da hiçbir zaman are kullanmıyoruz. Her zaman is de belirtiyoruz. Aynı zamanda arkadaşlar any ve some hatırlayalım hemen. Türkçe karşılıklarını yazıyorum. Some, biraz, any, hiç demekti. Ve any biz olumlu cümlelerde any kullanmıyorduk. Olumsuz ve soru cümlelerinde kullanıyorduk. Okay, let's take a look here at the examples. There are some pumpkins. I can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pumpkins. So it is there are some pumpkins. 2. There are some raspberries. Let's take a look. There are many raspberries, so here we can say are. There are some honey. Bakın burada işler birazcık değişecek. Çünkü honey burada birden fazla görünse de sayılamadığı için there is some honey. There aren't any bees. Arı sayılabilir arkadaşlar. Bu yüzden there aren't any bees diyorum. There are some milk and yogurt. Hem milk hem yogurt uncountable. They are uncountable, so this is. There aren't any cheese. Cheese uncountable, so there isn't any cheese. There are some eggs. Eggs are countable, so there are some eggs. And there aren't any meat. Meat is here. There is no meat. So we say meat is uncountable and there isn't any meat. Hemen bir tekrar edelim. Eğer nesnelerimiz sayılabiliyorsa bir tane ise is, birden fazla ise are kullanıyorum. Eğer nesnelerimiz sayılamıyorsa her zaman is kullanıyorum. Unutmayalım arkadaşlar. Okay, let's take a look here. Look and attach the headings. We finished this in the classroom. Let's repeat. Countable. Pumpkin is countable. Pears are countable. Eggs are countable. Raspberry is countable. Or raspberries are countable. Meat is uncountable. Cheese is uncountable. Yogurt is uncountable. Honey is uncountable. And milk is uncountable. Let's take a look at our practice book. Okay, we have some pictures and words here. Let's finish this. Number 1, yogurt. I'm writing on the paper. Number 1 is yogurt. And yogurt is at here, number 1. Number 2 is bees. And bees are here. 2. Milk. Let's finish this first. Milk is here and that's number 3. Number 4, honey. Honey is here. That's number 4. Raspberries. Number 5, they are raspberries. Number 6, pumpkins. They are here, pumpkins. And number 7, cheese. Number 7 is here, cheese. And number 8, eggs. It's here. Okay, now we can finish the words. Number 3, milk. Number 4, honey. Number 5, raspberries. Number 6, pumpkins. Number 7, cheese. And number 8, eggs. Okay, guys. Now let's take a look here. Classify the words. I can count. I can count bees. Bees are countable. I can count raspberries. Yes, they are countable. I can count pumpkins. They are countable. And I can count eggs. So let's make a word for this. Let's write C. Bees are countable. Raspberries are countable. Pumpkins are countable. And eggs are countable. I can't count yogurt. Yogurt is uncountable. And milk is uncountable. Honey is uncountable. And cheese is uncountable. Okay, guys, let's repeat. Yogurt is uncountable. Bees are countable. Milk is uncountable. Honey is uncountable. Raspberries are countable. Pumpkins are countable. Cheese is uncountable. And eggs are countable. Okay, I hope everybody's okay now. Let's take a look at this example. Remember, we need any, some, or, is, isn't, are, aren't. Let's take a look at the classroom and complete the sentence. There are some pencils. Tabii ki sınıfımızda bir sürü kalem var. Bu yüzden there are some pencils. There blah blah dogs. Ben sınıfta hiç köpek görmedim sizin sınıfta. So, there isn't or aren't any dogs. I'm writing the number here, number 2. Number 3. I believe there are some, sorry guys, there are some glues for there blah blah a clock. I think there is only one clock, so we can write there is a clock. And 5, there blah blah chalk. Chalk tebeşir arkadaşlar. Biz sınıflarda artık tebeşir kullanmıyoruz. Bunu yok diye yazalım. There aren't any chalk. Number 6. Sorry, my keyboard's giving some problems. There blah blah stapler. Sınıfımızda evet zımba var. There is a stapler. And number 7. Yes, there are many desks in our classroom. There are some desks. And number 8. Buraya dikkat edelim arkadaşlar. Sınıfta pek çok su şişesi bulunmasına rağmen biz burayı is'de kullanmalıyız. Çünkü water is uncountable. There is some water. Okay, let's repeat. There aren't any dogs. There are some glues. There's a clock. There aren't any chalk. There's a stapler. There are some desks. And there's some water. Okay, let's get to the student's book again. We finished here. look and complete the answers. Let's take a look here. How many blueberries are there? Here, I can see the blueberries. There are some blueberries. How many green beans are there? Let's take a look. Any green beans? Oh, yes, there are so many. There are so many green beans. How many pumpkins are there? I'm looking. No pumpkins. There are none, or there aren't any pumpkins. How many mushrooms are there? Let's take a look. Yes, there are some mushrooms. There are some mushrooms. Okay, guys, let's do one more activity and we can finish for today. Okay, student's book, page 21. Let's take a look at the table, and I can see there are some foods over here. Okay, let's answer the questions. Is there any corn? Let's take a look. Yes, there is. 2. Is there any yogurt? Let's take a look at the picture. I can't see any yogurt, so no, there isn't. Are there any apples? Let's take a look. Yes, I can see some apples. Yes, there are. Is there any popcorn? Let's take a look. Yes, I can see some popcorn. Yes, there is. Okay, let's do the activity below. Look again and classify. How much is there? Hemen arkadaşlar kelimelerimizi hatırlayalım. A lot, çok fazla demekti. A little, birazcık demekti. And none, hiç anlamına geliyordu. Ve bunları kullanırken a little, uncountables için kullanılırken a few, countables için kullanıyorduk. A few countables. Her ikisinin de anlamı az olduğunu anlatmak için kullanılıyor. A little'ın Türkçe karşılığı tam olarak çevirdiğimizde biraz. A few'in Türkçe karşılığı ise birkaç tane. Okay, now let's classify the words. Here, there is a lot. Let's look again. I'm writing like this. A lot. Which one is a lot? Popcorn, corn, and sugar. They are a lot. Popcorn, corn, and sugar. And there's a little. Let's write here a little. Let's take a look which one is a little. Bacon, butter, and grape jelly. And they are a little. Okay, now let's take a look which one is none. Bacon, jelly, ham. No ham. There is none. Ham goes to there is none jar. Peanut butter, here. Peanut butter, there's a lot. Corn, there's a lot. Fish, none. Cheese, none. Milk, there are some milk, but not a lot. There are some milk. And honey, there is none. Butter, there's a little. Sugar, there's a lot. Popcorn, there's a lot. Okay, let's do this again. Bacon, there's a little. Jelly, there's a little. Ham, there's none. Peanut butter, there is none. Sorry, there's a lot. Corn, there's a lot. Fish, there is none. Cheese, there is none. Milk, there is some or there's a little. You can say there is some or there's a little. Honey, there is none. Butter, there's a little. Sugar, there's a lot. popcorn. There's a lot. Okay, my dear students, let's finish here now. I hope you are having a very good time at home. I miss you all. I miss you all so much. And I hope to see you again very soon. Arkadaşlar kendinize çok çok iyi bakın. Hepinizi çok çok özledim. Ara ara arayabilirsiniz. Yakın zamanda hepinizi tek tek konuşmak için arayacağım. Bazı arkadaşlarınızla görüştük, konuştuk. Umarım hepinizle de görüşme imkanım olacak. Kendinize çok çok iyi bakın. See you all. Take care.